Hey guys, what's going on? Another video. It's gonna be a quick one today. Just want to show you guys another new part we got in the mail for the Veloster N. This time it's gonna be some transmission goodies. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got here. Oh yeah, here it is, guys. All right, so what we got the Forge Motorsport short shift kit for the Veloster N. This also works for the i30N. Super stoked for this. Let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like here. So this car is a pretty good shifter from the factory, but after driving it for about 6 months, you start to notice that the throws can be kind of long, longer than you'd want in a hot hatch type of vehicle like this one. So hopefully this will decrease, the length of the shifts, and hopefully just make the drive more enjoyable, more fun, speed up the shifts a little bit. Forge always does the best job with the quality of their products as well. I feel like quality control is always on point. Hardware is always, top notch. It's really good stuff. All right, I'm gonna open these up for you guys and I'll show you. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. So here we are. Got the two pieces here. These are the Forge pieces, very nice, anodized black. Looks like some kind of billet type of material. Really good quality. So the benefit to these is that these openings here, you can adjust it. So what I've heard is that right in the middle is like the sweet spot. You can reduce it up to 50% shorter, the throws. So you can make the shorter as maximum of 50% shorter than stock, which is pretty significant. So I'm pretty stoked for this, guys. I do plan on doing the install. The day you see this video is the day that I plan on doing the install, which for me would be tomorrow. So I do plan on having the video of the install up very soon. And then also a driving impressions, just letting you guys know how it is, how it feels. If the car, feels better or worse with it. I'm gonna, let you guys know and be honest with you guys. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day.